In this video, I'll tell you how to use SoundCloud to drive traffic to your website, even if you're not a singer and you want to use the platform to drive traffic to your affiliate offers or your own offers. Let's go to the video. So okay, I'm John Vianney from johnvianney.com, and in this video I'll tell you how to use SoundCloud, which is a platform basically used by singers, by musicians to drive traffic to your affiliate offers, because we are doing affiliate marketing and earn money promoting other people's products. So if you want to go more in depth, on johnvianney.com, there is a step-by-step coaching on how to make money promoting other people's products. But let's go to the video.
Hello and welcome to this course in which I'm going to talk about a hot new traffic source. Okay, this traffic source is actually a website or a platform that you can get lots of traffic from. This site is actually ranked as 173rd most popular site in the world according to Alexa, and there are currently over 250 million users on this site. Okay, and the great thing about it is that it doesn't really matter what niche you're in. You could tap into this hot new traffic source. You can use this platform to sell a product, to build a list, or just to be shown as an authority in your niche. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next video in which I'm going to talk about what this traffic source is and why it is so powerful. Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you what this hot new traffic source is and why it's so powerful. Okay, in the previous video, or the introductory video, I just gave a bit of a teaser and basically hinted at why this is such a powerful traffic source. For one thing, as I mentioned, there's over 250 million users on the site. What this site is soundcloud.com, which you're looking at right now, and at first glance, it looks like it's mainly for listening to songs and mainly for musicians to upload their music onto. And so, for example, if you just click on explore, you will see that it's all just music. Okay, and there are musicians on here getting a lot of followers. Okay, but the thing is, this site is not just for musicians. You could do a search here, or you could look in the category, and just go all the way down here, and you'll see you could choose. Oops, let me just go back to that drop down. There's audiobooks, business, comedy, entertainment, learning, news and politics, religion, science, sports, storytelling, technology. So I'll just let me give you an example here. Here's one group called Entrepreneurs. They have over 500,000 followers. Okay, so this is great for people in business, and it doesn't really matter what niche you're in. There's also people in the gardening niche that have a lot of followers. So basically, there's a lot of potential for this site. A lot of marketers have yet to use it or to tap into this potential traffic source. And basically, all you do is just upload your audio content. You don't even have to pay, and you could be in front of millions of people. Now, when you do sign up, there is a free account, and you could also upgrade to a paid account. So if you have some helpful information that you could provide via audio, or even some information that you have gotten private legal rights to, that you could upload onto here, this is a great way for you to get some traffic, build a list, and to basically show yourself as an authority in your niche. Hello, welcome back to this video series in which I'm talking about SoundCloud, a hot new traffic source. In this video, I just want to talk about how to monetize your SoundCloud account when you set it up. Okay, Now, the obvious thing is you want to insert your links in your account so that you could drive traffic to whichever site you're promoting, whether it be your own site or a squeeze page or an affiliate offer. Okay, what we're looking at here is someone's track that I just happened to come across while I was typing in internet marketing in the search field. Okay, so you'll see that internet marketing is in the title of this track. So that's another thing you want to do when you upload your tracks, is you want to make sure you got the right keywords in there so you attract the right prospects, and so that it's easier for people to find you. And as you can see here in the description of this track, he's included a link. So that's one thing I recommend, is for you to put a link in your description. And one thing this guy hasn't done is on the bottom here, you could actually place a button that can say buy now or click here for more information, and you could link that. You could put a link in there that will drive people to whichever site you want. Okay, another place you'd want to put your link in is in the comments. So immediately after posting your track, post a comment on here with a link. So your comment will be at the very top, and there will be a link that everyone will see. Okay, another tip for you is to also place comments on popular tracks that have thousands of views. So basically, when you leave a good comment, hopefully, or chances are that others will see your comment and click on your profile and see your links, and also listen or look up your information.
Massive thank you for seeing this video, and if you want to go more in depth and learn how to make money online promoting other people's products, go to johnvianney.com, insert your name and email, and get the system to jumpstart your online business. And remember to subscribe to the channel.